Metals are one of the most abundant elements in the world and are used in almost every single industry. Not surprisingly, metal forming industries have existed since before the Industrial Revolution, when blacksmiths had to sweat in the forge to make metal swords fit for kings. Although those methods aren't used anymore, modern metal forging machines have overtaken and are way ahead of their predecessors. From hammers performing heavy duties, to a machine that bends metal like a contortionist bends his body, to a machine that punches holes inside a metal sheet at the speed of light. Today, we're counting down 12 insane metal forging machines. Number 12. Heavy-duty hammers. The most important component of the forging process is the heavy-duty hammer that delivers extremely powerful blows. As large pieces of metals and construction need to be properly fit and shaped, the only way to produce such heavy tools is with a more powerful hammer. The world's heaviest counterblow hammer was created by the Chihuly Group, with its maximum energy being 1400 kilojoules. This hammer can forge any metal part that's under 6,000 pounds or 2,700 kilograms, has an incredible ratio of weight and pressure distribution, and is smart enough to assess exactly where to land the next blow. With such an incredible feat of technology now at work in the booming metal industry, the only way forward is to make the hammer into an entire Autobot from Transformers. We'd love to see it. Number 11. German forging machines. Germany is known for its state-of-the-art forging machines and engineering services. One company and production line that has been mastering the forging technology is the BGH Eldeston, with its signature open-eye techniques. Hard-hitting, heavy-duty hammers can produce metal and bars that weigh up to 30 tons, with the modern machines using state-of-the-art hydraulic forging presses and powerful compacting forces that result in flawless and mint-condition metal pieces and parts. You won't believe how smooth a forged metal sheet can feel even if it's just been hammered down. Number 10. SOREL Forge. Dominating the Canadian forging industry is the SOREL Forge Manufacturing Company, with its renowned open-die steel forging mechanisms and processes. This company specializes in the production of quality forged bars. With the added facility of in-house melting machinery, SOREL Forge has the freedom to heat and forge any metal that weighs up to 59,000 pounds. Massively elongated rectangular and round bars are pushed using their powerful heavy-duty hammer, resulting in impeccable and mint-condition industrial equipment and tools. Number 9. Metal Bending Machine. As a producer of press breaking machines, the company UKB has made the Metal Sheet Bending Machine, which is a CNC press breaking machine. You can easily adjust the bending angle in the machine for a better shape of the metal, and have a feedback bending depth that detects whether the angle being made is equal across the entire length of the sheet metal. The back gauge position changes automatically according to the design, and we get backward, forward, and upward downward movements. The machine is exceptional at its job and easily programmable for editing and performing various tasks according to the type of metal. The ram down speed is an impressive 160 mm per second, making its execution time surprisingly fast. Number 8. Submerged Arc. We're not quite traveling under the sea yet, but keep your snorkeling gear handy just in case. The submerged arc welding is a type of metal forging machine where the arc generated between the filler rod electrode and the workpiece is submerged within the pool of granular flux, which is excessively fed to protect the weld pool and the arc zone from the atmospheric contamination. The machine is connected with a DC or AC current source within the current range of 200 amp to 1200 amp. As the arc is fully submerged, no spatters are created nor any fumes generated. This machine can be made semi-automatically or fully automatic depending on your usage needs, and sets an interesting precedent for most of the competition among machines of a similar type. Number 7. Bevel gear cutting machines. Don't be afraid of this fierce-looking machine set. Despite their increase in loads due to greater power transmission and higher expectations for quiet running behavior and longer life, modern metal gear units must achieve peak performance in compact sizes. The Klingelberg unit produces the best metal gear cutting machines called the Gear Designer. With motorized testing equipment, contact patterns are detected based on loading and unloading conditions, and the machine verifies actual backlash and mounting distances that are critical. It also detects the noise levels inside their gearboxes. The gear parts are compared to one another, the working gear parts or master gear parts. Number 6. Chain making machine. Chains are some of the most useful means of making metal more accessible, with their linkages making it easier for anyone to use them effortlessly. The machines that are specifically assigned to the task of creating these versatile chains are called linked chain making machines, unsurprisingly. These machines are mostly made in China, and different models of chains are made for different purposes like dog chains, bag chains, lifting chains, and machine locking chains. The chain link machine can work automatically, and one person can operate 5 to 7 machines, which saves labor costs. It has a high capacity of 35 to 45 pieces per minute. It can work for 24 hours a day for weeks. Sizes can be changed by changing the molds. The metal wire's thickness is about 2 to 8 millimeters for most chain making machines. However, you can choose to adjust the thickness for each of your desired products as you see fit. Number 5. Wire forming machine. Imagine metal that's paper thin, yet sturdier than most mountains. We're just kidding, but this machine isn't too far off. It works automatically by using a wire bundle and a multi-slide wire forming principle to create long spools of metal. The wire feeding and cutting in the XY axis mechanism is an entirely automatic process. It applies force to change the shape of the wire into your desired form. The force varies on application either by hand or several other automated equipment modes, complete with cutting tools tailored for each. The wires can be of small diameter, like the ones used in jewelry and springs, to 25mm thick ones like the ones used in construction sites and route chains. The 2D benders do not allow the wires to be formed in anything other than a flat pattern, while the advanced 3D benders provide a multi-dimensional, better structured space to the wire. Number 4. Panel cutting machine. Large metal sheets need to be cut down in smaller sizes to be used in various places. The iconic panel cutting machine does just that. It comes with an integrated fuselage designed specifically with a space-saving mindset. All electrical components and laser sources are built inside the independent control cabinet, with a dustproof design to prolong its lifespan. The observation window adopts a European standard laser protective glass, and the smoke produced by cutting can be filtered inside. It's non-polluting and environmentally friendly. The panel cutting machine is used for cutting steel, metal jewelry, metal signs, as well as building the foundation for metal arts and crafts. It also has a dual platform exchange system, where platform exchanges occur in 10 to 15 second tops. How fantastic is that? Rapid exchanges between the two platforms greatly improve the machine's overall efficiency, making the user experience seamless. Number 3. MyTurn DY42. Milus Machinery has been the frontrunner in making CNC machines for metal pressing and shaping for a while now. Just take a look at the MyTurn DY42, which is a multitasking machine designed to process precision complex parts in one step. It has double spindles, a BMT-12 station turret, and a second Y-axis for back machining, with 14 tools for a total capacity of up to 38 tools. The solution, coupled with superimposed cutting, is a powerful combination of precision for the amalgamation of incredibly complex workpieces, with extremely fast cycle times. They come with extremely rigid main and sub spindles, with purpose-built roller bearings on the front and rear to concentrate power directly to the cutting surface and resist any incoming radial forces. Number 2. Pro 110 HP. The Pro 110 HP is a portable punching machine manufactured by Promotech. It comes with a portable punch with optional hoist, and the weight is supported by gas struts. It has an adjustable depth stop and stripper adjustments. It has a double action puncher with a wide range of hole diameters up to 27mm. The intelligent control system with automatic load detection and a mode indicator light which protects against accidental startups. It's super easy to handle in both vertical and horizontal working positions, and it comes equipped with a wide range of special shaped punches and dies. It has a max throat depth of 110mm and punching power of 47 tons. It comes with a maximum plate thickness of 16mm and weighs 35 kilograms. Number 1. China Roll Formers. Roll forming machines are always the ultimate first choice as long as we need to produce metal sheets or any other associated steel products. A roll forming machine can do automatic jobs of bending, cutting, pressing holes into slots, and straightening. They produce shapes of different sizes and material thickness using the same rolls. Roll forming machines have the advantage over press brake and shearing machines, and they're used in making metal roof sheets and wall sliding panels. The whole roll forming machine includes a decoiler, hole punching devices, roll forming machine power back, hydraulical shear, electrical controller with hydraulic expansion, and a super cool coil car. Alright, comment below if you ever wondered how metal was forged and now have satisfied that curiosity. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to TechJoint, and we'll see you in the next one.